cut the thing off. Where is my puppy? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here or you are not yet subscribed, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Be a part of the Cheryl community. It's a wild ride, but it's a fun one. Subscribe to my combined channel Yuvianca, my sister's channel Angelica. Please like this video, and today we have a very dramatic, well, not dramatic, it's a fun look. I am doing a rainbow series on my channel, which I will do every single color of the rainbow, like a eye look, and every look will have a nude lip. So the previous video, if you did not check it out, please go and check that out as well, was red. It's orange now. Next Sunday I'll post a yellow one, and then we'll just keep on with the series. So yes, if you want to see how this look is created, then just keep on watching. Okay, so you guys probably seen the intro, and you know what I'm going to do in this video, but right now I have an idea what I want to do, but I don't know how I'm going to do it because I've never done it. That makes sense. But today it is the orange, so it's the orange color of the rainbow, so I'm only gonna do orange eyes, but I already spared you guys the time, and I did my foundation, eyebrows, highlight, everything that I have on my face. So I'm only gonna do my eyes, lashes once again, and I'm going to do lips. And if you are hearing, my dogs are barking, and I don't know why, but it's so irritating. Yes, let's go. I have a couple palettes here. I have the Beauty Treats Hot Love palette. I have the Switch Beauty palette. And I have the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. All of these palettes have orange. Jaclyn Hill's palette does not have like an orange, but it's like a pumpkin type of orange shade. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the pumpkin shade. So the shade is called Creamsicle. So I'm gonna use Creamsicle in my crease. I'm gonna do a cut crease, but it's gonna go like out. You know those Instagram cut creases? I'm going to try and do that today because I've never done it in my life. So I'm gonna try it. So I think I am going to use Creamsicle in my crease. Then I am going to use the Slice for Days palette from Switch Beauty. There's this orange shade in it. I'm gonna use this orange shade, and then from the Hot Love palette I'm also gonna use an orange shade. So I'm basically just going to layer everything in the crease, then I'm gonna cut it, and I think I'm gonna put, I can't do this, but I am gonna do this because you know what, I'll make the rules, it's my channel. I'm gonna use in the Hot Love palette, there's this white shade. So I'm gonna use this white shade, and I'm gonna put it on top of the concealer, so it's only white. And then I think I'm gonna do a wing, a black one. So yes, that's basically what I'm going to do today. So I'm first going to use the Morphe M431 brush with the Creamsicle shade, and then I'm going to use this, it's like a fine pointer brush as well, because I want to have like a nice line. Usually when I do a cut crease, I don't care because you're going to cover it with concealer, but I want to do it something different today. And then obviously I'm going to blend it out. I'm going to use this blending brush. This is the Morphe RG18 brush. This is actually from their Christmas collection, so I'm going to use this brush. And then obviously my Morphe E27, you know. I think this is right. Like it goes like that. Hopefully I can get it the same way on the left eye. I think I'm first going to layer it, and then I'm going to blend it out. Usually I go in with a blending brush. Guys, I don't know if it's even. It doesn't look even. Maybe I should just add some more shadow on top. I'm going to cover up our mistakes with some lashes. So basically transition shade. Then I'm going to blend it out with the Morphe RG18 brush. Just very lightly touching it so it can blend out nice and evenly. I am going to blend this like high, like to my brow bone. But you know what, we're still going to see that popping highlights after that there. Just taking the E27, just lightly blending it. So I think this looks kind of fine. Now this is just a very light transition shade. So now I am going in with the Switch Beauty palette, the orange shade. I love this palette, but the one thing that freaking makes me so mad is this palette doesn't have any shade names. So I'm like orange, and you know that color there in the leaf? Yeah, it irritates me, but it's a nice palette, nice formula. So just using the Morphe N431 brush and going in with the orange and just lightly to add this on there as well, because it's pigmented, as you can see. As you guys can see, the left eye is like, it's not like dipped as much as this eye, but I think I'm just going to cover it with concealer. I can't do anything now. I decided to do my foundation first for some kind of a reason, but I usually struggle with the left eye. Leave a comment down below if you also struggle with your left eye, or what eye is usually the best for you to work on. My best eye to work on is my right eye, and my best eyebrow to work on is my left. Do you know what? Eyebrows aren't twins, they are sisters. Advertising friends, living the life. I think now I'm going to top it off with that Hearts Love palette from Beauty Treats. This is an orange shade, but it's like an orange red shade. So, but it's orange. So I'm gonna use that, not breaking the rules. Once again, just blending it out. I think my top part, like my crease, is done. So now it's time to cut it. Okay, this looks a little bit weird, but you know what, it's gonna look okay. So now I'm gonna use the MAC Select. I'm gonna use the MAC Select Cover Up Concealer, and this is NC30. And now I have to be very careful because I struggle a lot to, like, I can do a cut crease, but I struggle to get the line really like sharp and fine. So we need to find a small brush. I'm gonna use my Switch Beauty Brow Bay concealer brush, and I'm gonna use this paint brush. It works, okay? Just adding a little on the back of my hand. That's not a little, that's a lot. Guys, I did it! My line is so crisp and cut. It It looks so good. I'm going to have to apply that eyeshadow like really neat. So there you go. I'm quickly gonna do the other eye off camera and then I'll be back with you guys in a second. Back your binchies. Going to add that white and then I'm going to do the wing, which I'm stressing about because this is not even, but it does not look bad, so it's okay for my first try. I'm going to add the white glitter with, once again, a brow bone, but this is the eyebrow brush. I'm just going to take some Fix Plus, spray it on the brush, that round, and get that brush nice and wet. I'm just tapping it on. Ooh, this is nice. Oh, the glitter is coming on my face. It's on my face. This is really nice. It's the first time I'm using this white. And it's so cool. It's so pretty. I like it. Then I'm just gonna like sort of just like flick it out. You can like fade. Actually know what I'm doing, guys. You guys know I don't know what I'm doing, so don't judge me. The eyes are done. Now I'm gonna do the wing. I'm so nervous because in my video that I did, if you did not check it out, go and check it out please. In my video that I did, first time trying liner and lashes, I did it without any makeup because I was so scared I'm gonna mess up. And the first time with the liner I messed up, but the second time it went good. But now I'm taking a MAC liquid liner. This is Black Track, and I'm gonna put this on with a eyebrow brush. I saw some of the YouTubers, like the beauty bloggers and stuff, doing it with a eyebrow brush, and I think it will look better because there's already an angle. I think I'm going to do a small. This is the Morphe M207 brush. I'm gonna use this brush. Guys, I hope this goes good. I'm not going to think it's funny if it's not. And hopefully it's even. So, moment of truth, let's go. Just going to take some of this black liner. Going to add it at the back of my hand. This is actually the first time I'm using black liner and I decided to do it for this video. Great. Let's go. I'm so nervous. Just gonna make a small little wing. Okay, this doesn't look bad. It's a little thicker than wanted. But I'm just taking the Morphe M250 brush. Okay, one wing done. I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to like find the edges. It looks a little bit neater. It looks good, but I freaking don't know what I did. My hand slipped, so I'm just going to fix it with some concealer. I'm quickly gonna do the other eye. Okay, my wing liner is done. It looks good. I like it. It looks very nice, but it is a little bit uneven. But I think that will come with practice. Now, I'm basically just going to first add lashes. I'm using the Allure Texture 117 lashes that I used in my previous video, my rainbow video. The first one was a red look, so if you did not see that, go check it out as well please. I'm going to add that. Then I'm going to add some mascara. I'm going to use the MAC mascara and I'm going to use the Lash Princess mascara from Essence. So basically now I'm going to take the Orange Switch Beauty shade. I'm going to apply it under my waterline. I'm going to take a white Essence eye pencil in the shade white, and I'm going to line my waterline and just coat my bottom lashes, and then we are off to lips. So I'm quickly just going to do lips. I'm going to use the matte LA Girl flat finish pigment gloss. This is in the shade Fleur, and then I am going to use the Essence in the Nude lip liner as well. There you have it, guys. This is the finished project. There you have it, guys. This is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my combined channel, Yuvianca, my sister's channel, Angelica. I have a lot of makeup tutorials on my channel. I don't do a lot of makeup tutorials anymore on my channel because I do short little mini tutorials on my Instagram, so go check that out as well. Please go and follow all my social media links that will be in the description box and in the screen. All the products that I used will be in the description box down below, so you guys can also achieve this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please, please, please subscribe if you are not subscribed. I really want 100 subscribers. And go and check out my Tea Time Tuesday video as well, and my previous rainbow look where I did the red look. If you want something vampy and dramatic and you have an ex-boyfriend but you don't know how to get him back, just do that look. He'll probably run back to you. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys so much. Thank you for your support. I'll see you guys back again in my next video. Bye.